Hey guys, welcome to Full of Beauty with me, Lizzie. Today we're in my bathroom because per popular request, I'm going to teach you guys how to do the summer beachy wave look using this wand. It's the Infinity Pro Front by Conair, and I just like it because it's ceramic and it's got that kind of beach wave wand thing. Makes it easier to do the beach waves. That's how I do it. If you don't have one like this, you can also do it with a straightener, but I'm going to show you how to do it with this one today because this is what I have. And also, if you really want to get good waves and protect your hair, I always use this Redken Hot Sets 22 just to kind of prime my hair and kind of protect it from like heat damage and stuff. It also helps hold the curl a little bit better as well. So just spray that little bit of that in, and you're going to start with the front section and kind of don't get it too close to your head, but kind of close because you don't want to burn yourself, and just kind of wrap it around this way. I don't know if you can see that, but just kind of spiral it around and hold it there for like 5 to 10 seconds, I guess. Also, the setting I have it on is, I don't know, I kind of go between 330 and 360. I kind of go in the middle because I don't want it too hot, but hot enough. And it's just gonna kind of look ringlety at first. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I just do different sections depending on how wavy or straight your hair is. You don't need to curl every piece of your hair. You just kind of want to do like different sections and then kind of mess it up. So again, hold it for a few seconds. And yeah, I gotta get the back. Hopefully you have a wand similar to this at home. I highly recommend like doing beach waves with some type of wand. It makes it a lot easier. I'll have to show you in another video how to do it with a straightener if you don't have one. But I just think the wand's a lot healthier for your hair, and it's a lot easier to get those beach waves. So I'm just gonna kind of go around my head, like, and have like different pieces. And this usually doesn't take me too long in the morning when I want to do the beach wave look. My hair is a little bit shorter. I have a lot of it, but it's a little bit shorter, and I don't curl every piece, so it only takes me like 10 to 15 minutes. If you have longer hair, it could take longer, but it shouldn't take too much longer. Because I don't really try to curl every piece because you just want to do like the messy beach wave look. So I'm just gonna kind of do like the top sections, and then just we'll go through and kind of curl underneath. Let's see, and I'm gonna get the middle section over here on this side. I don't usually use a ton of product, but a little bit just to kind of keep my hair healthy. But I don't like it to feel weighed down either, so I don't like to use a ton. That's that piece. And right now it kind of looks goofy, but I promise you it will come together. Again, just for a few seconds. And then I'll kind of go through and curl, just kind of like, just focus a little more on curling the front pieces. And then I just kind of curl a little bit underneath in the back. You just want to hold it for a few seconds. You don't want to burn your hair. this piece right here. See, it's coming together. This. And then we're done. Just kidding. That looks ridiculous. We're almost done though. So I'm just gonna curl this one little section in the back because you want to try to get like big chunks. But you don't need to like spend as much time on the hair underneath because you just kind of curl that like underneath really fast just to give it a little bit more body. And the shorter your hair, probably the easier it is to quickly do beach waves. Okay, so then you just kind of go through, kind of separate them a little bit and kind of mess it up. Just separate the waves for those curls. And just kind of mess it up a little bit, kind of tassel it. Ring fell out. Oh, what's the back? Oh, there's the back. Sorry guys, 1 second. I lost the back of my earring. Oh well, we'll find that later. Okay, so you're just gonna kind of mess it up. Run your fingers through it. To kind of give it that natural beachy look. It's still a little section. I'm just gonna curl that really fast. There we go. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I like to use this Natural Finish Aspen Extract Texture Dry Finishing Spray because it's really lightweight, but it holds like no other. Honestly, like I can keep my curls for my waves for a couple days with this stuff. So it's just like a really light texturizing hairspray. And it actually smells pretty good too. Here we go. Well, we have beach waves. And that is all I have for you guys today. Have fun. Happy Wednesday. It's been nice and sunny. Summer's here, so get your beach wave on.